viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in this video we are going to connect our Metamask wallet with ZRX platform, and we will also add the token ZRX in our Metamask wallet. So if you need to save your transaction fee for exchange USDT to Ethereum, so you must watch this video till end, because in this video I am giving to complete information how to use cross chains and how to swap or trade one coin to other coins. So please also subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button, and you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So first of all, I'm going to log in or open my coin market cap, and we will check the rank of ZRX, that platform. First we need to discuss or connect our Metamask wallet, that platform. After that we will add this token. This time Bitcoin price is $40,000 plus, and in 2 days ago Bitcoin almost $42,000, but in 1 day Bitcoin almost down $3,000. So if we need to check the rank of ZRX, so you can see here the this time 96 number rank, and price 0.92 means 92 cents, 13% down, 32% up in 7 days. So if I click on it, and then the new page open in front of me where we can get all information. You can see here this token developed on Ethereum, so we will also add this token in our Metamask wallet. But first of all, we will check the price graph, and also we will connect our Metamask wallet with this platform. You can see here there's click on all, then you will check the price graph. When token launch almost 20 cents, and all-time high almost $2.50, but this time price is 92 cents. And if you need to trade this token, so you can use these exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Bithumb, Binance US. And if you need to connect your Metamask wallet with this platform for exchange or buy Ethereum or any other coin without fee, simple click on ZRX.org. This is the official website of this platform. So first we need to connect our Metamask wallet. After that we will add this token. So I have clicked on OX.org, and the liquidity endpoint for DeFi on Phantom, Hilo, Optimus, Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, Avalanche. You can see here. And focus on your products. Let's ZRX find the best price. Our smart order rotating split up your transaction across decentralized exchange network to be filled with the lowest slippage possible. And you can also see here all the popular DEX network: Uniswap, Curve, and uptime 99%, 9%, 2% revert time, and 1.5% response time. Swap token with a few lines of code automatically create an order that can be passed directly through your smart contract to be settled on chain. So if you need to connect your Metamask wallet with Matcha by ZRX, the global search engine for the liquidity and market that enable users to trade token at the best price through a world-class interface. So click on trade to Meta. I have clicked on it, and then the Matcha.xyz open. I'm not giving you any financial advice. You can join or not, it's depend on you. Trade on all DEX at once. Matcha find you the best price across exchanges and combine them into one trade. And also trade on Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Celo, Phantom, and more. And why you use and the exchanges when you can use them all. And you can see here you can get more information about it from there. So let's suppose you need to connect your Metamask wallet with matcha.xyz. So you just simply click on profile area and then click on connect wallet. I have not any balance on my this Metamask wallet, but I just giving to financial, not giving to information. Connect Metamask wallet, then the Metamask wallet is going to open in front of me. Before going to connect your Metamask wallet, you select the Ethereum mainnet. I'm going to enter my password here. I have entered my password. Click on unlock option, and now my Metamask wallet is going to open. You can see here the Ethereum is by selected network from my Metamask wallet. I just simply click on check, then click on next. Now connect. Now we have successfully connected our Metamask wallet with matcha.xyz exchange or platform. This time I do not want to deposit any amount on this wallet because I just giving to information. Click on skip step. If you have balance in your account and your Metamask wallet is connected, so you just simply go to the click on trade option. I have clicked on trade option, then the page will be open in front of you and you can use the network, which network you want to use. I have by default use the Ethereum, so selected Ethereum. You can also use other network like BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Zero, Optimus. It's depend on you. I have selected Ethereum. Let's suppose you have amount 100 or 1000 USDT in your Metamask wallet and you want to buy Ethereum without any make a transaction. So just simple go to the click on token, and there is many token is available. You can see here DAI, wrapped Ethereum, USDC, USDT. You can see a USDT. Let's suppose I have USDT in my wallet and we need to buy or swap Ethereum. So let's suppose I have 1000 USDT. I have not balance this time, but I just giving to function, giving to information. And if you pay 1000 USDT, then you will get 0.32 Ethereum. And you can see here, if you convert 1000 USDT to Ethereum, so you will not pay any fee. You can see here the network fee is free. The network fee is free, so you can use. If you have balance in your Metamask wallet, then you will receive 0.32 Ethereum, and after just simple click on review order and then confirm. After confirmation, your order will be filled and then you will receive your Ethereum in your Metamask wallet and your USDT directly from your main wallet. So this is so simple and easy, and you can easily trade with this network without involve any third party. And let's suppose you want to add this token in your Metamask wallet. Just simple go to the again open coin market cap, click on Ether scan or contract address. There is available contract address. Just simple copy and again open Metamask wallet, and you can see here, going to click on expand view. Now we are going to add this token. So first you need to select network, Ethereum mainnet, and then click on import token, and there is option is available custom token. Just paste here your contract address. If your contract address is correct and your network is correct, then your token symbol and token decimal is automatically filled. So click on add custom token, click on import token. Now as you can see here, we have successfully add new token in our Metamask wallet, and we have already connected our Metamask wallet with this platform. But before going to deposit on this wallet, you must click on edit, and after that click on assets option, account details, and then you will get the wallet address which is you are going to use for deposit. But before going to deposit, you must find your private key. There is option available of export private key. Just I'm going to enter my password here for show the private key. Before going to show private key, you must read the warning. Click on confirm, and now as you can see here, we have successfully find the private key of over my this wallet. So you must save the multiples copy, make the multiples copy of this wallet, and also save in safe place, because when you want to recover, restore, import, so then this private key will be helpful for you. So as I hope you properly understand how can you connect your ZRX, how you connect your Metamask wallet with ZRX platform, and also you can add ZRX token in your Metamask wallet. This is so simple and easy. In this video I gave to complete information. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. You can comment below this video. I hope I will read your problem and will resolve your problem. Okay, so you can subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin from this website. Just simple search and get the information. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.